Paper repair orders don't just waste time. They create mistakes that cost you parts, labor, and repeat calls. Let's talk about the behind-the-scenes upgrade that makes a motorcycle shop feel buttoned up. AI-assisted repair orders and inventory. First, move repair orders into a digital workflow. The goal isn't fancy, it's visibility. Every job should show customer concern, technician notes, parts needed, status, and approval. Centralizing that info reduces handoffs and eliminates lost sticky notes. You can even attach photos of worn parts or test results right to the job. Second, use AI to track parts and forecast demand. If you're constantly short on common items, filters, brake pads, chains, tubes, AI-driven systems can monitor inventory in real time and generate smart reorder alerts. Pair that with simple barcode scanning at check-in and check-out, and your counts stay accurate without guesswork. Third, automate the boring admin. Purchase orders, reorder reminders, and simple reporting. Over time, analytics can reveal patterns like which services spike before riding season, which vendors cause delays, and which job types take longer than expected. So you can price labor correctly and protect margins. And yes, shops that standardize these workflows report big time savings. One example cited is 40% faster repair order processing after implementing AI support.